If your organisation has designed a PowerPoint template for you, I have a few tips to help you how to move forward and start using it. Welcome, my name is Analia Pisani from AZ Solutions. So if your organisation has created a template for you, open up that PowerPoint template, and my recommendation for going forward how to start using that document is that once you have it opened up, and you'll be seeing a whole bunch of slide template, layouts that they have created for you. Now, some organisations may create these layouts completely blank. Others may create them with standard text that you will be using, and others that you will be allowed to modify and tweak and change, so that going forward you can choose which of those layouts to use rather than opening up the template and then deleting any of the slides that you don't need. So a few things you can do. You could go to your design tab, and what you want to do is set that up as your default theme. Now, once you have it open, there is an option at the bottom that says Save Current Theme. You can select that, give it a name, and when it comes up in the drop down there for the design, that's the place where you're going to right mouse click on that custom option and set it as your default theme. Now, by setting it as the default theme, it's going to mean that when you click on the button for a new slide, instead of getting those normal blank standard slides that you get with the standard design templates that come, you're going to be seeing the layouts that have been designed with that particular template. So you'll be able to use those. Now, the only thing is with those is that they're going to be a clean set for you to then type in whatever text you like. But if your organisation has provided you with one of those templates which already has some of the standard text, then what you would want to do is use the reuse slides. So what you would normally do is find a presentation, copy a slide, and then come over here and then paste it. But it's a big drama to try and rummage through all of the PowerPoint presentations that you have to find that perfect one that it's got that one or two slides that you were after embedded in, 200-300 lots of slides. So a nice way to do it, especially if you do it all the time, is to use a button for reuse slides. Now, depending on what version of PowerPoint you have will depend on where it's located for you. But if you go to the Home tab, next to the button for New Slide, you should have a button for Reuse Slides. And that is if you have the Office 365 version. If you have 2010 or 2013 or something around that, you will still have it, but it's a little bit tucked away. You will find that under the New Slide option, and it'll be all the way down the bottom. It'll be the last entry there, and that will be Reuse Slides. So either way, you should be able to get to it, unless you have version 2003, which is pretty ancient. So from the right hand side, you're going to click on Browse and go through and navigate to find that template PowerPoint that your organisation has created for you. It will come up in the list, and once you click on it, it will actually show you all of the slides from that template, and then you're able to select whichever slides you want to transfer across that actually already have not only the layout but some sample data examples, or maybe exactly what you need to use. So that's a nice way to work with templates that your organisation has created for you. For more information, you can find more on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, you just look for Analia Pisani, and it will be in the description of this podcast. Thank you for joining me.